Alright, so unboxing. This is the benfei. Think benfei USB-C to HDMI cord. So I do have a projector and an existing projector cable, but I needed something more that wasn't restrictive on connection capabilities, so I was trying to look for there's one in here. Look for a box cutter. A cloud box cutter. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna have to just rip into the box. I don't care. So this is how the benfei cable looks. There's a little protector for the USB-C part. This is the HDMI part. And it's a braided cord, which is nice. Then the instructions. What's in the package? Please check if the following product and accessories in the box before using this product. Do remember to contact your retailer or benfei customer care team when anything is missing or broken. There should be one USB-C to HDMI adapter and one user manual. Introduction. This provides a cost-effective and easy solution for connecting a desktop, laptop, or other devices with a USB-C port to an HDMI display such as monitor, projector, or TV. Connect the USB-C male end of the converter to the USB-C port of your laptop or computer and connect the HDMI female of the converter to the HDMI port of your display with the HDMI cable. Input USB-C, support DP alt mode, output HDMI female, audio support yes, maximal resolution 3840 by 2160 at 60 Hertz. So I'm pretty sure that's like, what, 4K? And HDR support yes. FAQ, or frequently asked questions. 1. Does it support all Type-C devices? The Type-C port of your host should support the USB-C Type-C DP alt mode video output function. 2. Why doesn't my device display normally using the USB-C to HDMI interference? 1. Please ensure that your device supports video output via the USB-C port. 2. Please ensure that your HDMI cable is functioning properly. No cuts, tears, or abrasions. And 3. Please select the correct signal source. Windows, both mirrored and extended modes are available on HDMI. Mac OS, both mirrored and extended modes are available. Resolution up to 4K at 60 Hz. 3. Is it normal for USB-C hub heating up during use? Compared to the plastic cases, aluminum cases has better heat dissipation. Heat from electronic components and circuitry will be conducted outside more quickly. How to use. Connection diagram for reference only. Open your UHD world. UHD high resolution 4K at 60 Hz smooth refresh rate. 2. Compatibility list. Please refer to table 1. 3. Non-compatibility list. Please refer to table 2. So, pretty self-explanatory, pretty cool, and gonna be pretty useful. I will show you guys in another video on another day how it all works together.